And the disturbing part of this response was that it did not seem to be a public health response at all. It was a militarized and monetized response. We did things the opposite of what you would do if you wanted to stop a pandemic. And ask yourself, and I would ask any of my fellow Democrats who are supporting Tony Fauci, his record is the worst record of any country in the world, arguably. We had 4.2% of the global population here in the United States, and I think we had something like 17 or 18% of the global COVID deaths. The death rate in America was in the top 10 in the world. So we had 2,800 people per million population die. The African nations had an average of about 200. So Nigeria had 15 people per million population. These countries, which Tony Fauci and Bill Gates at the beginning of the pandemic said Africa is going to get wiped out. We need to get them all vaccines. Nigeria has a vaccination rate of 1.5 for one vaccine, 1.5%.
Wow.
And they had a COVID death rate that was about 1/1500th of our COVID death rate.
Wow.
And there's reasons, Megan, there's reasons for that are non-medical. One is that African countries have younger populations, and COVID was a disease that killed elderly people. But that doesn't explain it anywhere near these huge disproportions. One of the things that could explain it is that Nigeria has the highest malaria burden in the world. 27% of malaria cases globally come from that country. So everybody in the country is on hydroxychloroquine. Mm-hmm. It also has the highest burden of river blindness. A large part of the population is on ivermectin. Is that what explains this incredible record against COVID? Well, we don't know. But shouldn't we be asking that question? Isn't that the first thing Tony Fauci should be doing, is saying, why is there this huge delta between COVID death rates in all these different countries? And the countries that did worse are the ones that focus on the vaccines.